are the symbols of Istanbul, and this time Cam Home Collection has prepared beautiful linen placemats with white seagulls. White seagull designs are embroidered on dark blue linen napkins and placemats, and we designed the beautiful table with lanterns, seashells, and corals. My father used to call us my white seagulls, so I'm dedicating this beautiful table setup to the beautiful memory of my father. Have a white, beautiful summer just like seagulls of Istanbul.